Back in Business, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or in everyday conversation, back in business. This expression is not only popular but also carries a significant meaning in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll explore some examples to help you incorporate it into your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and decode this interesting phrase together. The phrase, back in business, is used to express that someone or something is operational again after a period of pause or difficulty. It can refer to actual businesses that have resumed operations after being closed or to individuals who are ready to continue their activities or pursuits with renewed vigor. The beauty of this expression lies in its versatility. It can be used literally for commercial enterprises or figuratively to describe personal situations. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to break down the components of the phrase. Back implies a return to a previous state or condition. In business, suggests being engaged in activities, operations, or the tasks at hand. When combined, these terms convey a return to activity, engagement, or operation after a hiatus or setback. Using back in business is straightforward. It can be declared to announce one's own return to activity or used to describe others. Here are a few examples to guide you. After repairing a broken piece of machinery, you might say, "It's back in business." When a shop reopens after renovations, you could remark, "They're back in business." Or, after recovering from an illness, you might personally feel back in business and ready to resume your daily routine. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some contextual examples. After a long break. After taking a year off to travel, I'm back in business and ready to start working again. Overcoming obstacles. Despite the tough times we faced last year, our company is back in business and stronger than ever. Personal achievement. Now that I've finally overcome my writer's block, I'm back in business with my novel writing. Back in business is a powerful and optimistic phrase that signifies resilience, recovery, and a return to activity. Whether you're talking about a literal business, personal goals, or any endeavor in between, this expression can add a touch of determination and positivity to your conversation. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using back in business in your English communications. Thanks for watching, and remember, no matter the setbacks, you can always get back in business.